Hi, my name is Ashley Piccarelli, and in August of 2021, I was buried alive. I broke multiple ribs, my clavicle, my liver and my spleen were lacerated, and my vena cava had a hole in it. The surgical trauma team were amazing. They patched me up, they fixed me up, they kept me alive. I owe them my life for that, and my whole stay there at Baystate was just amazing. I felt like part of the family. You know, it made me want to recover faster. It made me want to get better. I knew about my goal, wanting to go back to Army flight school, get myself ready for that. And with their dedication and their close watch, you know, I did. I was able to return. I started flight school the following year, and I just graduated November of 2023. And now I fly helicopters out of Westfield, Massachusetts. To everyone at Baystate, thank you. I'd say it 1,000 million times. Thank you.